how to erase Twitter account. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous tutorials and videos. We have also playlists for each app, and let's get started. If you're on Android, first open your Twitter app, then go and click on your profile picture on the upper left here. Let's click on it, and then go to the bottom to settings and privacy here, click on it, and after this click on your account, then click here deactivate account. After you clicked on deactivate account, that's the page that will open for you. So as you can see, and if you read what's written here, it tells you that your account wouldn't be immediately deleted permanently. It will be deactivated for 30 days, and after the 30 days, if you didn't activate it or log in again, it will be deleted permanently. So if you wanna deactivate it, then click on deactivate here with the red font, and then type your password, and then click on the deactivate button in the bottom right, and then your account will be deactivated. And then after 30 days, if it's not activated again, it will be deleted permanently. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.